Me nah lie. This video are one of the hardest video me ever do. So sit down and analyze that girl statement. Jano, it's like it a eat out my brain. Yo, when me done do the video, I broke up my computer to bumbo clot. Let's go.
Sir P, see AIDS something them then one look how you public me name now say me have AIDS, eh? True me fuck wanted man Ocean, eh?
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, this is the saga me a follow through, I guess between Sir P and Jamaica display. This young lady, Mutombo, say her boyfriend. But one thing strike me about that lady is like, she sound like she have a sense of understanding. Or she's playing like that. But at the same time, why was she in jail? Why was she in jail? And she's saying that she don't know anything. So, yo, we are gonna listen. And you don't know me, I gonna analyze it. And me I gonna break it down. So, let's go.
Yeah, is it better now?
Okay, I'm gonna ask you to restart the conversation for me, please.
Yes.
Right.
I am Miss Avia from the community of Kensington. Kensington in St. James. I used to be in a relationship with a man by the name of Mr. O'Shane Earl that was on the wanted list of last year. So after I was in a relationship with this gentleman, I've been locked up in jail a few times. Then when I went out of jail, I heard some announcement on the SERP program stating that I was using my car to traffic gunman, and I also asked my man to kill my mother's brother, which is my uncle. And even though I hear the news, I didn't say anything about it. I didn't even try to answer back or anything. I just leave it at that. But what I get to understand, I have friends, I have family members all over the place. They are saying to me that no, I need to call Sir P or something. I get a lawyer to clear my name or something, because they know that even though I'm in a relationship.
Other saying say when it look impossible, that's when it's possible. Just from what she is saying and how she is explaining her situation, you can tell she is very complacent and enabling with this man Mutombo. She has no regards for the victims. All she is concerned about is herself. And she touched on the fact that she just got out of jail. But in the other video, the man said she was a scammer and she was trapping the phone herself. She seems to be educated to a sense, but also she plays naive and she plays stupid, and that's her character.
Relationship with this man. I'm not taking part in any illegal activities. And I do not think it is fair. They even publish me on the internet, sir, stating that I'm HIV. I have sleepless nights because of this. Because look, when I do one blood test, I have to go back another 3 months time again to do another one and another one.
Hold on.
You get what I'm saying?
You mentioned something about HIV.
Yes, sir.
Who is basically spreading that narrative?
They even publish me worldwide on the internet, sir, stating that I'm HIV, sir. And I have sleepless nights. Look, I even went to the doctor and do tests. When I went to the doctor and I do tests, they said I should come back again. Then when I go back again next 3 months time, no, HIV is not there, sir. I even have the result here with me, sir, that I get at the doctor at the government facility.
Like,
Sir P, see AIDS something them then one look at your public me name now say me have AIDS, eh? True me fuck wanted man Ocean, eh?
That girl a workless, you know. Don't even come out and say something like that about myself, even if me agree. I mean, you can hear the different side of her when she show the AIDS receipt or whatever the hell it is. Crazy. Now, she come out and say she not positive, but you hear what that money I say? Him say she is positive. This is from the other interview. So yo, sit back and enjoy. Me I go come back in and me I go interject because you see that girl here? That girl here is a con woman, you know, and she is very enabling and complacent. From how she answer the question then, she is totally in denial that Mutombo is a thief and a killer, HIV and whatever. There's one major point we want to make, but we have to listen to some more of this interview.
Mutombo, HIV positive, Mutombo. One get shot down the same place on a retirement, they didn't call her man frame. Fabricated lie, plan lie, everything a lie. You hear when you ask her the question, nothing goes to her. And she basically killed the man around, they go left the man to kill his uncle. Because she never worked for the day she born. She do scamming, and when he was find out they have kids.
The girl in a total denial to blow. She said he is not a criminal. So everybody else in the community, the police them, everybody, you know, everybody who knows this man, even our family, and that's the point we want to make. Because our family stop deal with her, and the reason them stop deal with her, because them know say she have something to do with him killing our uncle. Cause remember now, she and the uncle stop deal. Cause him throw something in her face. And she never liked that. And Mutombo never liked that either. And then the family never liked Mutombo. You understand? Cause she said she and him a grind on the low. But then him start come round there in the day. And then the family see. And him grandmother and family said them no want a thief round here. So from there so, like him a carry feelings. But from how she described that youth here, that youth here, they on the slow train. That youth are slow.
Right, but at the same time, you as a woman, you must know, there must be a point where...
Hold on. Listen, let me be frank with you and be fair with you. I acknowledge that my boyfriend, as Jamaican people, who determine that he is a gangster. I understand. But look, as I'm saying now,
Hold on.
I never knew that.
Before you go any further, what
want to listen clearly to how that girl here answer the question. She answer the question in a fuck up way. She are enabling. She don't want to answer. Up to now, she not admit say that you are a criminal and a gangster.
What is your definition of a gangster?
Like, for example, you know Christian different from Orleans, right?
Yeah, but I'm not every Orlean a gangster. So what is your definition as a gangster? Because I'm a Orlean and I'm not a gangster.
Gangster street people, you know, say thugs are thugs, but what I'm saying, me know say is a thugs, to be honest with you, but me never really know say he has committed murders before he comes in my community.
Okay.
I didn't know that he commit murders out there before when I acknowledge that he commit murders out there before is when he died and I hear the news. You get what I'm saying? He was never a criminal. He used to work very hard. You can ask anybody, he's hard working and he loves his job. Even when he is wanted, he used to work when he's wanted. Because he work on farm. So lots of people, we hire him. People we know they are in farm and then just tell him, say, okay, you know what I'm saying?
Mutombo, HIV positive, Mutombo. One get shot down the same place in a retirement, they didn't call her man frame. Fabricated lie, plan lie, everything a lie. You hear when you ask her the question, no go so sir. And she basically carry the man around, they go left the man to kill his uncle. Because she never worked for the day she born. She just came in and when he was defined, he was there have
you just tell him, say, okay, you know, say, one of the banana you have to promote or sleeve or something for me. He just use all 1, 2, 3 days and do it and collect 15,000 and something stay fast.
All right.
He always work. So when the thief in part come in now, it's when he can't get to work no more. Police upon him healing can't get to work no more.
Search.
You get what I'm saying?
Search, hold on.
Me try in every way to help him and to support him, like to go thief and trouble people things. You get what I'm saying?
All right.
Me tell him to go in, but still try to cook game. Me give him food that he not hungry. Me give him food that's
So basically, she a justify, say, him start thief when him couldn't get no work and him get hot. But me not like how the youth interview that woman ya. Him should have asked her more questions, you understand? Because it's her story against the other people them story. And as far as me see, fear thing, she'll go around the thing. She not be honest. She's trying to, but she not being honest.
Food that's hungry. But my family them never like it. My family them did have a problem with it.
Okay, fine. Hold on. Hold on. So you're trying to tell me that during the period, during that duration when he was labeled as a thief, it was when he couldn't get based on him listed as a wanted person?
Yes.
Hold on. I'm gonna rephrase my question again. You're trying to tell me that during the time that he was labeled as a thief, as a criminal, it was due to the fact that he was unable to get a job.
And I'm saying unable to get a job,
because
he can't get a job.
No, because he's wanted by the police, so yes, he's unable to get a job, right?
Yes,
right.
Yes.
Because
yes.
being in a job, he's going to be at a static position and police can come pick him up anytime. So he was trying to avoid that.
Yes, and the person them going a problem to give him the job too.
Okay, fine. Next question is, why your family never like him?
Me can't answer that question there. The family them never like him because them know say him a walk and thief and him a do things. And people in the neighborhood a talk. You understand? Plus them know say she married to one German man and them know say yo, that girl is like she a turn workless. It's like a workless girl. So the family them a lick out upon him. And like she said, I mentioned this earlier, the family them call him thief and tell him come out of the yard. And then he came back and complained to her. Then the uncle and she fell out. So that's why the family them don't like him. I mean, the youth who do the interview should I know that.
My family them prejudice, then go me one type of way. My family them go and like them shit can't make party. So they know like if certain people don't have money or if they're not eligible or certain way, they don't want them in our family or what. So then say, man, kick up a nice rich man carry up here with all heap of money. Then who do him behave so? You get what I say?
Okay.
And the hurtfulest thing about
You hear her justify the situation. She say her family don't like him because him broke and him poor and this and that. And she's actually bringing the blame to her family for not liking this guy. Yo, that's some sick mother Yo, them bumbo clot people are sick no blood clot, dog. That girl have to go in our mental institution. You understand? And really and truly, me, in the other video where me do, people say she should have been in a prison. And now me I listen to that girl star. She should have really be a blood clot jail. Because she's sitting there on the platform with this journalist, vlogger. And she is justifying the fact that her family don't like him because he's poor. She's a bitch.
Sir, you they look me for years, you know, years in they look me for. I mean, and talk to him none tall and then stuff there. And the reason why I made up with tariff him and I give them food. In come here in our community too. We have things. No people we use them brain. They don't use them brain. You know, taking things. What if abuse happen to him? What if abuse happen to him? I don't know people that say like, you know, have no sense hour. I don't say no sense, you know.
You hear what she said though? She justify him actions, you know, cause she say a whole heap of abuse happened to him. And that make him get mad. So she actually know what him do. And she know what he was doing. But I want to tell a girl one thing. Whole heap of abuse happened to a whole bunch of people and they don't turn into a serial killer. Abuse happened to blood clot me, abuse happened to all sort of people. People who me know, people who me don't know. You understand? And listen, them turn out to be good member of society. So what this girl is talking about is like she's a mad the blood clot. She is very shallow. She acts naive, but she's actually not. She's really a fucking dummy. And she's stupid. She reminds me of somebody me know. And I swear to God, and I don't really want to say it, you know. But she reminds me of somebody I know very closely. And they have a mental problem. So I am suspecting that this bitch have a mental problem, for real.
Severino, he's just loyal and he loving. So people will take him for idiot at times. But when he find out now, say, they style him and take him for idiot now. And they so help up loose now and get mad.
Alright.
Get mad and then he want to go take the lamata in her hand. And when he take the lamata in her hand now, that's not right. I'm trying to teach him all the while. If I want wrong with you, and you take a lamata in your hand, look how stupid that be, you know, you dead. When you dead, with them the person, they know, in them bed lie down, kick cock up foot, they eat.
Alright, so how old was this young man?
He was 32 years old.
Okay, 32.
At the time of his death. I'm 1 year older than him.
So you're 33 now, 34.
I'm 33, I'm gonna be 34 this year.
Yeah, but you're saying dead last year and last year was 32. So last year you would be 33 then?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so that means...
Yes, sir.
I'm born 1990.
Yes, sir. I'm born 89.
Okay, so okay. So how many kids do you have?
I have no kids as yet, sir. I don't have any kids as yet.
Oh.
I don't have kids as yet.
I see. I would like to see a result of I would like to see a photo of the HIV result though.
I have them on my phone, can WhatsApp right now, so I even send them on TikTok, sir. Because me frustrated that me the child fi go live, but come like me don't know a way fi go at it, so me just use a TikTok as an opportunity fi go live.
Okay, and
this is not this. What a Springmount police them know me, sir.
In
my community, and they know.
Hold on, you're talking about Springmount in St. James?
Yes, sir. All I police them know I division know me well, sir. In a me. Sir, they went vexed too, you know, sir.
I know Springmount.
Because they never went expect that from me. Still say me would have talk to you. Cause me did a hide and do it. Nobody never know. Me did a hide and do it. So me never expect say you would have bust out to like this.
Alright,
So you see she answer all of the questions them do. The police mad and our family mad and everybody mad. Now, me I play a little bit more of that girl a star cause our voice annoy me. But earlier I said that she remind me of somebody. And she does. I know this girl very close. And she have a boyfriend. And listen, the guy, him do all sort of fuckery. And all she does is justify it. Him can't kill a baby. Me see him rob. The youth rob somebody. And she justified the youth attack our parents. And she justified. There was many times I had to jump in and pull people apart. And there, man, if I ever tell you this story, this young lady lose all her kids because of this guy. And she still sound like that fucking idiot here with Mutombo to bombard. So, but the thing is with this young lady that I know, she actually have a mental issue. And a lot of times, people are out there and them have mental issue and them don't get it deal with or they don't want to get it deal with. And then they meet people and them end up in all sort of way. And this is a fact. And I'm speaking for the black community because I am a black man, which I'm quite sure this happens in the other communities, races. Now, the reason why I'm saying this young lady that I know for a fact, she gets mental health and she doesn't want to go and get her medicine and stuff like that. When she's on her medicine, she make good decisions. But when she's not, listen, she is enabling, she's just like this young lady. So I am suspecting that this young lady here has a mental problem too.
Yes, I just send you the HIV results on WhatsApp. Probably I was sending it at the same time, so the call was distracted.
Okay, I'm listening.
Yes, as I was saying now, anyone acknowledge that you have they hear that you have HIV, they're gonna stay far from you, or you know?
Right.
You know all black people already. And then another thing. When Sir P gonna say that I am using my car to traffic man and doing illegal activities,
Hold on. Which one of the card? Which card?
A girl incriminate herself. You're involved in criminal activity, Sir P is right. Because you bring food, go give him you know same at you're enabling a criminal. Idiot. Amongst other things. You understand? Because you're saying he got mad and take the law into his own hands. So you know he's going to do certain things. I mean, you're answering your own question. Like Sherlock Holmes said, when it look impossible, that when it becomes possible.
My car in go semi
use car. Oh, so you have a car indeed?
Yes, I have a car about 10 years now. So the police them come and they took the car. They took the car, they look at it, everything, give me back my car. My car is lightly tinted. I don't even think my car dark. I don't like the dark things. And I don't feel good about it because I know in my grave that I don't do it. So I make your man come out. They say, no, you can't say that. Because me no got me auntie yard and would never dare do that. Because that the auntie they will then go say me go over. That the auntie the yard. That the auntie ever they treat me good. Ever. So me couldn't look for dare go do that for my auntie. Me treat me so good. So me get corrupt. Every time me see a little pitney, me no tap cause a little pitney and they acting like dog. And I want to get over this. I don't want to see my auntie pitney on road and they molest him and they have him up for the rest of my life. Because if he fitness and if he look boy no underage, you know, about 18, 19 now. So even if he say me do that, him big enough, he can come and quote it me if he turn up to say me do that. You know, suppose the public me name them the way they are no charge, no come out of it and me living and me there. No man, for you publish me name about them this man, me I have to end up a courthouse, man.
So who you carry a court now? I'm just asking, you know, because like I stated before.
You me cousin me the thought not Sir P. You know him not supposed to go tell government that people bow me and him no go before record. Why you not charge me if say me do something like that?
Boy, I don't know about one, but me can't listen to no more of that girl, yo. One of the longest video for make to blow and analyze, cause she just sound like a damn idiot. She act naive, but she's not. She's enabling. And she want what she want. Cause she want Mutombo grind her. And I thought she don't care if you might kill her or murder. She'll bring food go give him and all of them things there. But one of the things I noticed, like I said from day one, this kind of situation happened right throughout Jamaica. With black man, all of them, even the boy, bigger crime, all of them. The girl them are enable enough of them bad man, yeah. You understand? So maybe the government need to try a different way of fighting crime. Because it's obvious, as you can see right here. My name is Countryman. Let me know what you think about this. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. But that girl drain me out, man, I lie. Madu man.